don't get paid if you sleeping, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like you know. Man, I rap like it's loaded. I mean.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm back, and for this small little update is that the market right now is super bearish. Bullish. Now this is just crazy. You know, Trump tweeted out, that the vaccine is about 90% effective. He started rambling and all that stuff, but the market, in my opinion, is not bullish because, well, certain stocks are bullish because of Biden winning, but in my opinion, it's because of the vaccine coming out. Airlines are actually super bullish right now. American Airlines, it gapped up a little bit, but it's in my opinion, it still has more to go. Simply because if there's a vaccine, people are going to be able to travel, people are going to get hyped up, and everything's having a small pullback right now. But for American Airlines, let's see, just small things that we can keep an eye out on. 1512 is going to be a big resistance for it. See, I can extend this one out all the way right here, and that is pretty much where it popped up. Now we need to close above 1349. It's 1315 on the daily. For it to continue up, it's going to test that resistance. If it breaks out, we could see $20. That's, that's simple. Damn, I forgot I did this a long time ago. The RSI looks pretty good. It don't look too bad. It's hitting that resistance all the way up there. It could have a small pullback, but in my opinion, it could head higher just because of that news. It did break out, down here. There's a lot of pivot points right here where it touched and it dipped down, touched down, and just continued touching right here, and it continued going down. But now, because of the news, this looks like it broke out, but this has to close above in order for it to continue going up. So airlines are really good. I called this right here to the teeth. Look at that, perfect, and it went up. Man, I just can't believe the market right now. That's crazy. Netflix, all stocks that require people to be home, like Netflix, Amazon, any streaming sites, things like that, they went down because now that the vaccine is going to be out, not many people are going to be home, not many users are going to be using their platform, things like that. Netflix went down pretty big, Amazon went down pretty big, so shorting these stocks are probably the best idea to do, at least in the short term. On the long term, most likely it is going to pop. Amazon seems like it's gonna pop again, not anytime soon though. Then were the levels. What's another level? The lowest case scenario is about 28.77. Medium case scenario 29.82. Let's see what else. 13.34. Moving average looks good. It don't look too bad, but if things start doing a U-turn, these two are the worst case scenarios in my opinion. But I feel like it should bounce because it is touching down to 1334 average. It did have a oversold territory and it bounced up. Now it's hovering about 3246. We did hit a high of 3500 exactly. I feel like we're gonna test that again and possibly head back down just to make it confirm that it's going to head higher later on into the future. Also, now that I'm here, don't forget to use BetFury. Every 3 hours you get a chance to spin and have a chance to win 1 Bitcoin. You have to be rank 2. I did forget to mention that in my last video. I do apologize. But the dividend payouts on here are crazy. I love it. The referral link is down below. Whenever you start putting Bitcoin in here, it's just use what you can afford to lose, because of course you are going to lose your Bitcoin, but in return you're going to make passive income every day until you ROI, and after that it's just free money. I've been using this for a year, so it's safe, guys, in my opinion. Just be cautious either way, just in case. But the referral link is down below in the description. Keep it in mind. if you want to help the channel out. I'm not making any money after this, but I want to help other people out. A lot of people have actually commented and tweeted at me and everything saying thank you, it has helped, and they're just waiting for the ROI, which takes about a couple of months and everything. After that, free money. Back to it. Now, airlines and all that should go up, in my opinion, later on in the future. This does need to close. I haven't even checked Dow. Delta Airlines is up as usual again, like I said. Small pullback, and then it's gonna head higher. This is great, but we need to watch out with what Trump says, because he is still in charge until next year, the first few weeks of next year or whatever. But until then, his tweets will have an effect in the stock market. So keep an eye on what he tweets. Keep an eye on the vaccine. I forgot the name of the vaccine that he mentioned, and I'm too lazy to look it up. But this is just a small little update about what to watch in the market. Airlines are, bullish in the long term. Netflix, Amazon, and all them stay-at-home stocks are bearish, in my opinion, because people are going to go out of their house now. They're not going to require using it. Zoom is down a lot because of that, because not many people are going to use their platform anymore because of the virus being, supposedly curable now, or is going to be curable, or at least, the vaccine. Talking about that, I'm gonna actually check that out. I know Zoom for a fact got hurt really bad. Oof, yikes. It's down like 80 bucks, 60 bucks. 1334 moving average is crossed. That's a bearish. So in my opinion, worst case scenario is about, 350, 351, give or take. So shorting Zoom is the play, in my opinion. Another bounce that could happen is actually right here. That's perfect. That could actually bounce. If this doesn't hold, if 415 does not hold, we could see 350. So things like that. But the RSI is down. It could go lower, as low as right here, 38, and it could have a bounce up. But whenever it bounces up to reset the RSI, it's probably going to retest 418, give or take, and it's probably going to break, in my opinion, after the vaccine comes out eventually. Just stocks like that, keep in mind. Okay, so Zoom short, Netflix short, Amazon short. Long is airlines, and SPY is long. I've been seeing a lot of predictions that SPY is actually going to get to 415 by June of next year, and keep that target in mind because I'm calling it too. SPY, oh my bad. I'll read it, this one right here, SPY. I'm calling it right now 415 by June 2021, and I'm gonna keep it here. So that's my prediction. Get some calls and everything, have it ready. If you want to wait for a small pullback, that's fine, so you can get it cheaper on calls. Now keep in mind, this is not financial advice or anything, and whatever you put in the stock market or in bet theory, just have whatever you can afford to lose, because it is still a risk. But that's it, guys, in this video. I'm gonna keep pulling out videos as much as I can. If you haven't liked this video, like it, subscribe it, welcome to the channel. Join the guild chat, and make sure you use my referral if you want to. If not, that's fine, so you can get free passive income. That's it, guys. Have a good one.
You don't get paid if you sleeping, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trashed. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like